What's up, guys? This is a 2019 Corvette Zr1, and it's the last of the front-engine Corvettes. And this one, being the Zr1, well, it's the Mac Daddy of them all. Today, we're gonna do a walk around of the car, go over its options, and then, of course, we have to take this thing out for a spin. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, we got a pretty special one here. We got this 2019 Corvette Zr1. This car is super sweet if you haven't figured that out already. This thing is super sweet. It has a original MSRP of $138,175. So this thing is definitely loaded. It comes with the 3ZR Premium Equipment Group, which was a $10,000 option. And it also has the Track Performance Package, aka the ZTK package, with the big wing, the aggressive aero, and I think it makes the Zr1 stand out just that much more. This car is so clean, not a swirl mark on it, and it looks like glass, as you could tell here by the videos. This car does have a few aftermarket modifications, such as this Corsa exhaust, which we should hear right now. Doesn't that car just sound absolutely insane? You have to hear it in person. It's just, video doesn't do it justice. But anyway, we get the we have the stock exhaust, so that will go with the car. The car also has a aftermarket cold air intake and a full front PPF on the whole front clip of the car. And then we do have the stock intake. The car is also on the original Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, as you can see by the date here, 2017. Yeah, so stock tires have not been changed. This car is exceptionally clean. There is a little nick there down on the splitter. It's hard to say if that's in the paint protection film or if that's actually on the carbon. It looks to be on the paint protection film, but yeah, I just figured I'd let you know on that one. Aside from that, everything else looks really, really clean on the car, and no other issues I could find. Moving over into the driver's side interior, you get the full leather wrapped interior. Yeah, I mean, it's the 3ZR, so you have all the bells and whistles on the inside. But we'll take a look at here, and you get the standard Zr1 seats. And as you can see on the wear for the bolster, it's very minimal. It's not zero, but it's, like I said, it's pretty, looks pretty new. Here's a look at the 8-speed automatic transmission shifter there. No manual in this one, but it's perfect for California, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, it took me about 2 takes for this because I was trying to open up the trunk from the back side. It's almost impossible. You kind of have to come over to the side here And the gap there to open up and close this back end is pretty close to that big old wang. Moving over here to the passenger side, again, no rips or tears in any of the leather or anything like that. Got the Bose sound system in here, of course. And a quick look at the passenger seat. Again, minimal wear, if any at all. Quick shot of the full carbon fiber roof, which is removable and storable in the rear trunk. So now I'll pop the hood and show you the heart of this absolute monster. First, gotta show some appreciation for the carbon fiber hood, which you have a big hole in it, obviously, for the blower that sticks out of the top. But look at this engine bay, guys. It is so well maintained and taken care of. The thing was babied, as you could tell. Here's that cold air intake that I was mentioning. Got the little Jake Racing logo on there. But yeah, really clean. Anyways, guys, let's close this thing up and let's take it out for a drive.
Okay, guys, here we go with the 2019 Corvette Zr1, and that thing is a beauty. Just look at that thing. But anyway, here's a look at the key. We do have two keys, so this is the back of the key, and there's the front, the lock, unlock, remote start, which is pretty cool. And then obviously you have your hatchback release. But look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. I'm gonna try not put my bias in it, but I love this car, so it's gonna be hard. But anyway, let's get on inside. Take a look at a couple of the features that we have in this 2019 Zr1. So this car does have the 3ZR package, which basically means that it comes fully loaded. So it has the, actually I'm gonna turn the car on anyway. Your start button's right over here. It's in quiet mode right now, but 3ZR, basically you come with, obviously your heads up display, carbon fiber on the interior, you got the full leather, diamond stitch up here on this roof, which is cool, heated and ventilated seats. You got the performance data recorder, the PDR, so you kind of have a little bit of everything in this package, which is pretty nice. Upgraded sound system. It comes fully loaded, guys. But anyway, I love the C7 platform. It's the last of the front engine Corvettes, and this one having the LT5, which is the supercharged V8 that produces about 755 horsepower. So it's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little scary, to be completely honest with you, but it's fun. It has made it to this 8-speed automatic transmission. I know if it was a manual, it'd probably be worth a little bit more money, but still, it's a good transmission. It's not as good as, you know, your dual clutch these days, but it's plenty for what you need. Trust me, this car will do plenty. But anyway, cool look at the back here. So you can actually take this roof off, kind of like a Target top style, and you could plug it into these little clips back here. So you can actually take the roof with you, which is kind of cool. So if you're out and about and you want to, you know, take the roof off, you're good to go. You have the little hidden display here behind this, which is cool. Put your gum, money, whatever you need to do. It has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that stuff, but it is not wireless. You do have to plug it in via USB. Heated and ventilated seats, as I mentioned before, so we'll turn those things on. Ooh, that thing is pumping. Carbon fiber steering wheel, at least most of the carbon fiber steering wheel, and yeah, it's pretty cool. This car is a lot of fun, guys, but let's go take it out for a drive. We're starting in tour mode, that's why it's a little quiet. But enough of my yapping. Let's go take it out for a old spin, huh? Put it in drive. Let's take it around the block, shall we? Look at this hood. Like, it's so crazy. The carbon fiber weave, you can kind of see it. I don't know if you're able to see it in the video, but carbon fiber weave kind of mates pretty nice. And now that everybody knows the C8 is a mid-engine car, so you still have this super long hood on the C7. You know, it's pretty cool. And take a look at that thing in that Sheesh, that big old wing. You have to get this car with the big wing, the ZTK package, guys. The small wing is, it's not for me, to be honest with you. Take this thing at an angle. We got a carbon fiber splitter up there. Don't want to ruin that thing. Come on, Sienna, let's go. Guys, the road presence of this car is amazing. You get a lot of looks in this car. I drove it over the weekend, and it currently has 7,850 miles. I'll probably put maybe 1 or 2 on it right now, but yeah, this thing's a ripper. Stuck behind the slowest Sienna of all time. Give him a little bit of room there. I'm just gonna blip the throttle for you. I mean, that's a little blip, guys, and I'm getting squirrely in the back. Traction control, everything is on, by the way. So just, it has that much power that it's, you know, it could get rowdy really quick. You know, all these cars nowadays have, you know, all these traction management control systems that are, you know, taking the fun out of everything. But so just because it does have the Corsa exhaust, the catback exhaust, it is still valved, which is nice. So you'll hear it right now. It's really, really quiet. But if I turn this thing into like track mode, it opened it up. I don't know if you heard that open, but now she's wide open as far as the valves go. And she pops and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? Sheesh. Roll down the window so we can hear it out a little bit more. What's really cool too is you could go in the settings here. You go to the driving mode, and you could do the engine management, engine sound management. And right now I have it in auto. So if I go to like tour, it'll turn the valves closed again. So you got quiet. But I can be in tour still, and say I want to have the track sound. I could open up the valves, and then it'll be on like that. You know, even if I'm in tour mode. So if I still want to hear that exhaust, even though I want the suspension a little softer, you know, we could do that, which is pretty cool. So this is my favorite setting. You know, drive it at tour or sport, and then have the exhaust opened up a little bit. I mean, this thing gets up and moving so quick. I mean, it's like, I have yet to really push it because it's on city roads, and it's just, I'll get, you know, I'll go straight to jail. But yeah, it's a sweet ride. The nice thing about these cars, you don't see them very often. You know, everybody's got their Ferraris or their Lamborghinis or whatever, or even the new C8s, but you never see the C7 Zr1s, or at least they're pretty rare. So I don't know what the Zr1 community is doing, hiding them away from everybody, but guys, get these cars out on the road. I mean, this one obviously has been driven a little bit, 7,800 miles, but you know, it still smells new in here, which is nice. And as you can see, everything is in really great shape. Everything works and no problems. Now this one does have a full front paint protection as well, which is nice, protects the whole front end from any kind of rock chips or debris. And then underneath the front splitter does have a little bit of like an armor to help protect that front splitter. Yeah, it sounds cool. Roll that up all the way. But it cruises when you want. The one thing I will say about the Zr1, if you've driven a C7 before and maybe not a Zr1 with the big ZTK package, you do hear a little bit more wind noise in the Zr1. and I think a lot of that has to do with the aero, obviously. You know, you got the big wing in the back, but right over my shoulder to my left, I have those additional air intakes, and you definitely hear it, like it has those air intakes, but it also has like a little carbon fiber scoop on the top of them. Sorry, I'm spitting all over. Carbon fiber scoop on the top of them that kind of helps with the, you know, getting more air into the rear end there. And you could definitely hear those, especially if you're going like on freeway speed 70, 80 miles per hour. You could definitely hear them. All right, I can't really see behind this lady, so I'm just gonna, sorry, Tesla. These tires, if you are, warm them up, they're great. But if you don't warm them up, it's sketchy. I don't know how else to put it. It's a bit sketchy if you don't warm up these tires. They are pretty much slicks that somehow got passed by the DOT, but yeah, she's sweet. You could put it in manual mode too, so you could shift it just like this. Like I said, there's a little bit of a delay, but manual mode's fun. But I think the automatic transmission does a pretty good job at shifting and not shifting when you want it to, especially if you're in track mode. It kind of keeps you like in a little bit of a higher RPM, obviously. Again, one more look. Sheesh, it's beautiful. A couple other things I want to show you over here when we're parking. All the camera systems that are on the car when it comes time to park. So the nice thing is, if I go right here and I put it in reverse, obviously you got your rear view camera. That's the nice thing, right? Let's say you wanted to pull in straight. You actually have a front camera. So these are in the front bumper facing forward. So these are the right side and left side. And this is kind of from the top down. So if you're coming up to like a park, like at a curb, and making sure you're not taking out your whole front bumper or front splitter on the curb, which is pretty cool. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's the ZR1. She's a ripper. This is a great opportunity to pick one of these things up. It's super nice, well-maintained car, no accidents, no stories. But anyways, guys, let's finish off this video. Let's go. So if you're in the market for that big American power and something that looks this good, well, choose the ZR1. This one's available now at OBZU.